machine behind me is our signature centerless grinding machine, and what's unique about it is most centerless grinding machines use bonded wheel abrasives. This particular machine utilizes coated abrasives. There are many advantages to using coated abrasive belts over bonded wheels, and centerless machines that use abrasive belts are polishing only. This machine, the Acme Model 1210, can. It can take a lot of stock very fast, it can improve the roundness, and it can produce in a single pass operation a plateable finish. And the beauty of having multiple heads is that you can sequence the abrasive grits. So you can go from a coarse to a medium to a fine all in one pass.
We'll save about $50,000 a year right off the bat with just the filtration system alone. The biggest part of the savings will come through setup reduction. Our current setup to change over from one size to the next can be anywhere from an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. We're expecting single digits with this machine changing over from one size to the next. So it'll improve our throughput tremendously. We'll be able to run discrete orders through our shop a lot easier. So there's just a tremendous amount of benefits that we're expecting.
We've been working with 3M for many years on our centerless grinding technology. You've got two companies, Acme and 3M. We're both companies that have been around for over a century. We do business all over the world, as does the 3M. The variety of abrasives that they offer for the materials that we're grinding, they lend themselves to producing a good finish on a part, whether it's a drawn over mandrel tube or whether it's a hardened bar that would go into a piston cylinder. You know, at the end of the day, Acme has what we call our ecosystem. And our ecosystem is very important to the success of our technology because it's not just about what we design and build. It's about the partners that we work with on the abrasives, on the tool changers, on spindles, on compliance devices. Even in our centerless world, we have an ecosystem of partners that we work with, including 3M. It makes the Acme product the best it can be.